must define intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B is the set of elements which are common to both A and B. It is denoted by A and the symbol for the intersection, and then B. Find the intersection of the following sets. For number 1, set A has the elements 1, 2, and 3, and set B has the elements 3, 4, and 5. To get the intersection of A and B, we must list the elements of A, which are 1, 2, and 3. Then, the symbol for the intersection. Then, we must also list the elements of B, which are 3, 4, and 5. Now, to get the intersection, we need to find what is common, what is similar. Sa Tagalog, ano daw yung pareho? That's correct. And therefore, the intersection of A and B is 3. In number 2, set C has the elements 4, 5, 6, and 7. And set D has the elements 4, 5, 8, and 10. So to get the intersection of C and D, we must list the elements of C, which are 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then the symbol for the intersection. Then, the elements of D, which are 4, 5, 8, and 10. So again, to get the intersection, what is common? Or what are the common elements? Are there any similar elements? Well, if yes, what is it? That's correct. And therefore, the similar elements are 4 and 5. So, the intersection of C and D will be 4 and 5. It's easy, right? So, for number 3, set E has the elements M and N, and set F has the elements X, Y, and Z. Now, let us get the intersection of E and F. So, let us write the elements of E, which are M and N. Then, the symbol for the intersection. Well, next, write the elements of F, which are X, Y, and Z. Now, the question is, are there common elements? Meron bang pareho? Wala? None? Now, what will you do if there are no common elements? So, the intersection of E and F will be written as this. As you observe, there are no elements inside the braces. Why is it so? It is because there are no common elements between the two sets. Sa Tagalog, walang pareho sa E at sa F. Now, if there are no common elements, it means that there are no elements. And if there are no elements, then it will be an empty set or null set. And the symbol for this will be like this. So again, if there are no elements, then it is also known as an empty set or null set. So let's practice. You can pause the video and try to answer this. Let us read first the direction. Find the intersection of the following sets. So the given are, set A has the elements 1, 3, 5, set B has the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8, and set C has the elements 8 and 9, and the last one, set D has the elements 3, 5, 7, and 10. So this is what you're going to look for. For number 1, the intersection of A and B. Number 2, the intersection of B and C. Number 3, the intersection of C and D. And number 4, the intersection of A and D. So again, you can pause the video while answering this. And you need to remember that you need to find the common elements. Let us now check your answers. Number 1, empty set or null set. Why? Because there's no common elements between A and B. For number 2, the answer is 8 because 8 is present in B and in C. For number 3, the answer is empty set or null set because there are no common elements between C and D. And for the last one, we have 3 and 5 because 3 and 5 can be found in A and in D and therefore they are common to the both sets. So check your work. Well, if you got 4 out of 4, then very good.